you're new here, I'm welcoming you a lot. Thank you for clicking and watching this video. So this is part 2 of that DIY natural curly crochet hair wig. So I'm going to show you how many styles. I promised you that I'm going to show you styles of how you can style this wig. This is a wig. If you haven't watched this video, you can go and watch it. It's there. My last previous video, it's called a DIY natural curly hair wig. So I did this, and yeah, as you can see, this is a wig, guys. The people who saw that video, you know, it looked just the way it is. And today I have worn it, and yeah, I'm going to show you how you can style. Before I start talking a lot nonsense things here, I'm going straight to the video to show you how you can make this DIY crochet wig. You can wear it in like 5 different styles, in 5 different ways, how you can just style it. So yes, let's hop on. Our first style is the one I'm wearing now. Like this one is the updo bun, as you can see. The updo bun, and yes, you can just put it. I did the baby hairs, and you can just put it and wear it as a baby bun. No, sorry, an updo bun. Up bun like that, and you can rock this style like that. So our next style, I'm going to show you how you can put another style. Another style is this one. I just removed the bun and I just pushed back this side, and yeah, just like that. You can wear this wig like this, and it's nice because like it has these baby hairs I created. You don't need a gel, and you don't need like a brush or to do what. All you need to do is just make sure that they lay properly and you're good to go. As you can see from afar, someone would think like, yeah, I did these baby hairs with some gel, but no, guys. So if you want like to push them back, you can push them back, and there we go, guys. Let me show you the back. So this is how it is. So that's another style you can wear this week. Let's hop on to another style. Is like, okay, this one I flip them like this, but you can just bring them front there. I'm sure you have seen those pictures of these girls with big hair, and in Instagram or whatever, they say just like big hair, don't care. So you can just wear another style. You can wear this wig is just like that, and you can trim, of course, if you feel like they come in front. You can just trim. Sorry, today my sound is not that good. I had flu, and yeah, today we are not that good. So all you do is just divide here, the middle part here, so that the others you can push them back, and the others they come in front, and yeah, there you go. This style looks good with also big earrings. It looks so good and so cool. So here is our another style. Like you can wear this, rock this, your pictures, and that's the back. So remember, this is a third style. You can style this a DIY crochet wig, curly wig. So, and it doesn't need a lot of maintenance, guys. It's just like touching and trimming a little bit and spraying a little bit, and you're good to go. So let me show you another. So all you need to do is just spray the olive. I'm going to spray the olive, and when you're spraying this olive, just make sure you just shake and then you just spray, just to maintain this wig. Yes, let the smoke come, baby. Okay, as you spray, just touch, just to make this wig shiny. And another style is just, I'm going to use this pushback clip. This is a pushback clip, and you can just like, if you don't want the front part to disturb you, you just style it like that and like this. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe for more hair videos. I have so many hair videos to do for you guys, and hair tutorials, wigs tutorials, and making your hair at home. So as you can see, you can just do this wig like that. And the good part of this wig is that it has these baby hairs which create a more natural look. Like that's why this is a DIY natural curly hair wig, so crochet hair wig, sorry. So you can just push back with your clip like that, and you are good to go. Like you're rocking these guys, and like, okay, this is me. Okay, guys, tell me which style you like. I guess this is we have the band part, the side part, and the front part, and now we have this one. This is the fourth style. You can style this wig, and make sure you just lay your curls. All you need to do is just arrange your curls. Arrange your curls all the time. Just make sure you arrange your curls to look so laid out, and I have to cut this, laid out and looking perfect. So all you need is that, like that. Okay, let me show you the back. Okay, let me show you side first. This side looks like that, this side looks like that, and at the back looks like that. The back looks like this. So just comment down below, let me know which style you like most, and what do you think about this DIY natural curly crochet wig. So I'm going to show you another style. That was a fourth style. I'm going to show you the fifth style. So, and another style you can do is this, the double band, like here on the side, as I showed you guys. So you can just do this and you can walk. Let me show you the back. Just like that, and you're good to go. Those are 5 styles, and let me see if I can add some more 2 styles so that we can have like 5 styles, but those are major styles you can do. Let me show you another style you can work with this natural crochet. To remind you guys that I did put some pins. Just to make this wig secure. I don't know if you can see, guys. There's the pin. I saw into 2 pins, clipping pins, so that when you put this wig it can settle and be secure. Like I put a pin to hold here and to hold here. So another style I'm going to show you guys, you can just make this as another style you can make is, I haven't made my hair yet, but if you can make your cornrows, your hair into cornrows, like upwards cornrows, then you can just do this like a hair extension, something like that. There you can just clip in like that. Let me show you. So this is where also the clipping parts come into place. Like if you have made your cornrows, you make cornrows like in this style, then you can just do your wig like this, and then the cornrows part will be like that, and then like that, you see. So let me try to secure this with a pin, just to give you that expression of how you can also just make this wig as an extension. Okay, I don't have another pin. Hopefully this will secure. So like there goes another style. And using your gel, you just make your edges. Just to give that an expression. I don't have cornrows. You can do like cornrows and then place this. So there goes another style. You can just do like that, and you're good to go. That's another style you can do with this DIY natural wig. So let me show you the last one. This is the 6th one. Let me show you the 7th one. I know I said like 8 styles, but I can only show you 7 style. Or maybe if I can't show you the 8th one, I will show you, because I haven't made my hair yet to be like braided. So yeah, let me show you another. So So here is the 8th part. Like if you have a scarf, you can just tie it, and just you can bring it on front here like this, or just leave it at the back, however you want. And my phone just brought a notification of an update in the middle of my video. So like you can just do this with a scarf and push back the rest of the hair at the back, and you're good to go like that, and you're good to go. Yeah, have your hair rocking it. So this is the 8th style you can do. 9th style which you can do, but that requires your hair to push back your hair, your natural hair, so that you can wear this at the back. But also this does the trick, and there goes, look at the back. Look at the back. So those are the 8 styles I promised you guys on that video while I was making this DIY natural curly crochet hair wig. And until the next video, I'll be showing you, it's also about hair, but how you can just make U-part wig and then put it on yourself at home. Just it's like literally doing your own weaving at home. So yeah, until the next video guys, thank you for watching until this time, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share this video to others so that they can see and just apply the tricks of styling a crochet hair wig. And don't like to comment, tell me which style you like the most, which has pleased you, which you are interested in. Tell me which style, like of all the 8, which one you loved the most, and tell me the least one also. So guys, thank you, and don't forget also to like. Until my next video guys, thank you, and I'll be consistent this time. Let me just be clear, like I am almost there guys. Please do watch my videos, the ones which you have not watched and they're suggested to you. Please do watch so that you can help your girl get monetized out here. I've been in this YouTube for a long time, so help me get monetized guys. Watch and rewatch and rewatch. Sorry, the camera is sleeping. So just watch, and next video we're going to do hair. So, and also suggest which content you like, because I'm into beauty and hairs and life, and into beauty, hair and fashion and styling. So guys, thank you. And makeup, we'll be doing also makeups. Yeah, get ready with me. I'll be doing also those, and a little bit of cooking. I'm minimizing the cooking videos, so I'll be not doing those. Yeah, I don't have anything else to add there, but your girl is back, and I'm going to be consistent this time, and wait for every week one video. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you, and bye bye.